My name's Sarah and I'm the mom next door. Today we're gonna make some pumpkin spice cupcakes and we're gonna make it really easy on ourselves by using a box cake mix and a KitchenAid. I'm gonna use my favorite attachment on the KitchenAid, which is the paddle with the scraper. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. We're gonna scoop out about a cup of pumpkin puree. Add in your box spice cake mix, 4 eggs, a third a cup of oil, half a cup of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a half a teaspoon of cinnamon for extra warmth. We're going to mix this for about 2 minutes. Get out your cupcake pans. I like these silicone ones from Costco, and some cupcake liners. I like both the function and the aesthetic of these brown paper ones. This scoop is way bigger than what I need it to be. I'm going to use it and fill it about halfway. Let's get these into the oven. So remember to set a timer. We're going to bake these for about 36 to 38 minutes. Once your cupcakes are done baking, pull them out of the oven and let them cool completely before frosting. If you do want to make your own frosting, I've got a video with a recipe for you, and it's the perfect cream cheese frosting. It's not too sweet and it has a little hint of cinnamon and nutmeg, which pairs perfectly with these pumpkin cupcakes. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I invite you to hit subscribe because if you found this video helpful, you'll probably like other content on my channel too.